What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back at Signature Glass Tinting. We just tinted this Volkswagen with the new Lumar Air 80. We're about ready to tint this Tesla Model 3. We just pulled this 911 GT3 out of the shop. This car went with the IRX 50. I made a video on this. You can look for it online. And we also just pulled out this brand new Tesla Model 3 I wanted to talk about real quick. The customer that owns this car chose the Lumar IRX 35% all the way around. We did all 6 side windows. We did the back window. Can't remember if we did the windshield on this car or not. I don't think so. Yeah, we did not do the front windshield on this car yet. The customer probably will come back. So when it comes to the Tesla Model 3, we do a lot of them. 5 or 6 of them a day is not uncommon. We do the back window, what we call a one-piece installation. We actually have a bunch. I think we have 3 Tesla Model 3 back windows here at the shop. We do all the heat shrinking, all the cutting on our window. We do not do it on your car. There's no lines on this back window that where the film was cut out. There's no risk of breaking the back window. Everything's installed in one piece. We don't stop it halfway. All the roll-up windows are filed and shaved. We cut them on the computer and then we file and shave them, so there's no light gap. There's no extra film flopping around in the wind. Go inside here. Back window again, it's not the best, but you can see the sun is right in my face, but you can see everything's done in what we call a one piece. You can still see out of the 35. It's a great product, great heat rejection. Lumar IRX is one of the best films on the planet right now. Whoops. Hate it when I do that. Yeah, the Lumar IRX is an awesome product. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Of course, Signature Glass Tinting offers their no-fault guarantee on all the side windows of this car. What that means is if this car is ever in an accident, if it's ever vandalized, maybe the window film is scratched, whatever happens, we'll replace the window film at no charge. Again, on this car, all 6 side windows are covered. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on Instagram. We got lots of pictures on Instagram. If you go to Yelp, check out our Yelp section. Not only do we have hundreds and hundreds of photos on Yelp, we also have every photo labeled with what film we put on the car. We also go into what interior colors on the car. So if you have a Tesla and you want to know what your Tesla looks like with this color film and this color interior, I got a lot of pictures online that you can see. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Give us a call, 949-515-8468.